Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mariya. My bearing ID number is 17 MKT022. Today is our presentation session and my assigned topic is describe the major sources of errors in a research design include random sampling error and the various sources of non-sampling errors. What is sampling errors? Sampling errors refers to the differences between the sample and the population that exists only because of the observation that happened to be selected for the sample. Increasing the sample size will reduce these types of error. Types of sampling error. There are two types of sampling error. One is random sampling error and another is non-random sampling error. Random sampling error. Random sampling error refers to the variability that occurs when a sample is selected randomly from a large population for the purpose of statistical analysis. Non-random sampling error. Non-random sampling errors are the errors that occurs in survey or research data collection that are not related to the random sampling error. They can arise various sources such as data entry mistake, measurement errors, non-response bias and inaccuracies in the survey instrument. There are many kinds of non-random sampling errors such as response errors, non-response errors. Response errors are three types: researcher errors, interviewer errors, respondent errors. And researcher errors are four types: measurement error, population definition errors, data analysis error, representative error. Interview errors are four types: respondent selection errors, question error, recording errors, cheating errors. And respondent errors are two types: inability errors and unwillingness of error. Non-response error is that error when the respondent are not collect the data and the variation of the total sample errors and the need sample collection. And response sample errors are those arising when the respondent are not given the accurate answer of these types of question. Measurement error is the error when the researcher collect the information sought and when the differences are in information sought and the information generated by measurement of the research. Population definition errors. Population definition errors arise when the researcher find hand population and the population of the sample errors are inaccurate. Data analysis error. Innovate the data collection transform when the raw data will transformed in the research findings, then the data analysis errors are acceptable. Respondent selection error. When the sampler takes a sample process but don't give the accurate respondent, then the respondent selection error is acceptable. And recording errors. Recording errors are the bias errors when they are not inaccurate data collections. Inability errors are the errors when the respondent are unable to send their data, such as social acceptability and embarrassment questions. Thank you all.